Hey guys, today I will show you my clickbank earning using Google Ads. You can see 11 January here and my earning was $199. Around $200 is my earning. Now you can see my Google Ad dashboard. So guys, you can see here, this is my ad spent 11 January, 3034. Okay, so this is around $41. I think I have a screenshot here. You can see this is my ad spent $41. Okay, now you can see CPC. CPC is, my CPC was 669 Indian National Rupees. So this is around $8. So guys, $8 is my CPC. So guys, you can see my profit. My sale was $199 and my ad spent around $41. So guys, my profit around $158 my profit. So guys, this kind of earning is not very difficult when you know how to select right product for Google Ads and you know how to create a high converting landing page for that product. And third thing, you know how to set up perfectly Google Ads campaign so that you can get sale like this and made profit every day. So guys, if you have any problem related product selection in clickbank, high converting landing page creation, Google Ads setup, Google Ads optimization, you can WhatsApp me. My WhatsApp number is on screen and you can message me on Instagram also. If you don't have WhatsApp, you can message me on Instagram, so that guys I can help you. So if you have any doubt, you want help, any consulting, you can message me on WhatsApp or Instagram.